I'm going to show you my iPad setup. I have the Bluetooth keyboard here, which can change the light. You can see that. And I have the Logitech keyboard for faster typing and the Logitech mouse. It is M557. It's all Bluetooth connected to this iPad. This is the 2018 11-inch iPad Pro. Connect to the Lenovo all-in-one PC here. This is the desktop computer, but it has two HDMI ports. One is the HDMI in, which I connect to the iPad, and one is the HDMI out, which I didn't connect to anything because this is the PC. It is the AMD PC, but you can use your monitor. This is the single cable connection here from Basius Type-C connection. Will go all the way here. It is very long cable actually, but actually I don't need that long, but it is a very long cable here. It's just single cable here, you can see that. So it is very convenient and require no AC adapter at all, except for the monitor. And when I use it, I will reduce the brightness of the iPad. You can see that the screen will not reduce brightness because it's connected via the HDMI. So I will just leave it in the dark, and I will use the keyboard here, the mice here. I can control the mice. You can see the orange circle go around. When I click the middle button here, I set to show the dock, and I will open in the app, and I long click the middle button. It will show the recent app. You can see that. So it is the very convenient way, and I can connect between the app. Also, this cable also transmit the sound, so you can watch the movie here too. And when you open the movie, the iPad will go off here. External screen is connected. You can see that. And it is the movie here. So you can watch the movie.
A city as big as mine, it's easy to feel small.
And you can work. And it is my work. I go to the database of my patient here with the 9 knots, and I can go to the Google Doc, Google Keep, Standard Note, and the note in my iPad here. I can open the app by sliding up. You can see that. Sliding up the dock, or I adjust the light mount to the dock. So I just click it and the dock will pop out. You can see that. I just click the Google Keep here and I can open here. It will turn on the Google Keep. I can click to read the Google Keep and work as I do with my iPad. But you can see that this is the external monitor, so I didn't have to touch my iPad at all. You can see that. And one more thing about this Lenovo AIO, because it is the PC, I will show you guys here. It has the power button here, if you can see it. When I press it, it will boot up into Windows, but I must disconnect the HDMI first. I will show you guys here. Connect it. Disconnect it. Okay. And the Lenovo will boot into Windows. Actually, it can be hot plug too, because when you playing in the window, you can see that it is starting window, and I am using my Mac here. You can see I can work with the both two world. Windows and the Mac with the all-in-one PC with HDMI input. But it is the AMD CPU, so it is quite slow, and it is actually very slow, and you can't control the brightness. You can see that now my mouse is on here. It did not mirror to the screen. But if I connect the HDMI, you can see I still opening the window here. I connect the HDMI there. The monitor will recognize and switch back to iPad. You can see that. You can use your iPad here in the big monitor, and when you finish your work, you can just unplug the HDMI, and it will go back to the window. You can see that it's very convenient if you want to switch back and forth between Mac and the window using the same monitor here. So this monitor have the benefit of HDMI in and out. And one more thing, this has a very bright monitor, so I have to use this screen for reduce the white point of this monitor. And sometimes it's very bright in the night. I have to use the sunglass. Yes, you will may sound strange because I actually put the sunglass in front of this monitor because it's very bright, and I cannot change the level of the brightness when the iPad was connected, and I just cannot change the volume too because it is the no control monitor here. It's an all-in-one PC. You can see that. So okay guys, and this is my setup of the iPad mini. Oh sorry, for the iPad Pro to the all-in-one Lenovo screen and make it as the monitor of the iPad Pro. See you later guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.